Welcome to learning Vue.js 2. My name is Jonathan Heta. I'm a full-stack developer, and I used to be a teacher. And since I started developing, I've always had a like for JavaScript because you can both write it in the browser and on the server side. Let's have a look at the course overview. In section 1, we'll be looking at getting started with Vue.js, how to set up your environment and use the Vue CLI to create an application, and also how to create the Hello World app. In section 2, we will have a look at the fundamentals of Vue and developing web apps with Vue. So, which are the base building blocks you can use in Vue to create your applications. In section 3, we're going to have a look at development tools. So, in order for you to get the best out of your development experience, what are the helpers you can make use of? In section 4, we're going to have a look at more complex web applications, especially looking at routing and its state. So where in your application do you want to direct the user, or how can you set up advanced flows? And if there's interactive elements in your application, how can you keep track of those? The requirements are any of the operating systems, Linux, Mac, or Windows, an installed instance of Node.js. It would be good if you had some basic experience on the command line.